How to fix quiet microphone low quality on a PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix quiet microphone problem. So first thing you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page. Now go down here on the search bar and search for audio like this and click on sound settings. You will find many options here. Now all what you have to do is simple, scroll down and you will find the microphone option here. You can test it as you can see from here. My microphone is working well, so if you have a problem or your microphone is low, just click here on troubleshoot and it's gonna be good for you. And if it's not working, that's the problem from your microphone. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.